Today we are exploring the difference between HDR videos recorded in 16:9 versus 8:7. The videos recorded in 8:7 are cropped to 16:9 and changed lens to linear plus horizon lock. The current video is recorded in 16:9 with linear lens plus horizon lock. We have now changed to a clip recorded in 8:7. It's obvious that the FOV has increased, but I wonder if there's any unwanted distortions in the picture. Even though everything looks straight and so, I noticed some posts with a suspicious lean. What do you think? Add a comment down below. Now let's switch over to something where the stabilization algorithm has to work some more. Okay, so this clip is recorded in 16:9, and I must say that it looks very stable. Nothing to complain about here. So let's switch over to 8:7 again. Okay, let's see how it handles the stabilization now. Yeah, now we can see that the video is a little bit twerky. I wonder if it's the increased FOV that is causing this, that the stabilization algorithm doesn't have enough room to work its magic. Don't get me wrong, the stabilization in 8:7 is pretty okay, but I would rather record directly in 16:9 if I was to record videos when running. However, if I'm just walking, then the flexibility of recording in 8:7 would be really helpful,